I did have a dental fear because when I was a child, the dentist that I went to believed that children didn't feel pain in their mouth. So I had a pretty good amount of nervousness about dentists, and I always went when I was supposed to, but I just dreaded it. Dr. Miller's so caring and thoughtful and pain-free that I got over that, and I don't think anything about it now. I just come in every 3 months for my cleaning. I've been coming to see Dr. Miller for over 20 years, and I really like him because he's very conservative in his treatment. He's really good about explaining the procedures that he's going to be doing and making sure that I understand what he's going to be doing. When I've had difficult procedures or involved procedures, during the day he calls me that night to see how I'm doing. Pain-free. Never had any pain. We have an agreement that if I feel any pain, I raise my finger and he stops. He's a great pain-free dentist.